Hi, Jody over at Solum Car Wash. This is Josh Nelson in Midwest Valley Marketing. We spoke earlier this afternoon. I told you I'd get this custom video made and sent over to you, kind of showing where I see you guys have some room for an improvement and how you can grow your business. A few of the things we're going to go over is the website itself, as well as what it takes for SEO on the back end, sort of things, a Google My Business profile look real quick, as well as your online Facebook advertising and the way you guys are managing your Facebook page. You said that was kind of an issue for you and something that you were hoping to tackle, so we'll go over that as well. So with that being said, we're jumping to the website here. You had mentioned Seavers Creative built your guys' website, and I think they built a pretty darn good one at that. I'll give them that. It is a well-built site. One thing I don't see a lot of, though, is content on the website. Google absolutely loves content, and they will rank you better because you have it. Not solely on that, but they will rank you better because you have more content. It's more information for your consumers to read. Just gives a better kind of idea of who you guys are. But for the most part, you've got good pictures in the background. I see you got a view packages button right there. Maybe a contact us form being closer and around, maybe some more buttons that people could click to call you, to kind of ask you and chat with you a little bit more than just having it everywhere else. Good rule of thumb for a mobile device is to have a button to click every single time you scroll. So the more buttons and the more numbers and the more links that we can click, the better options that you have for converting the people looking at your website or finding you online to converting that into a caller that could potentially come out and use your guys' car wash. So not bad though overall. One thing we do also is we actually take your URL up top here and we put it into this tool we like to use. This is called Ahrefs. Ahrefs gives us a guideline on where you guys have for backlinks. They're referring domains that hold all of those backlinks, what keywords you guys are currently using in your website, and how much organic traffic your guys' site is getting, roughly. Like I said, this isn't 100% accurate, but it is a great tool to use. So with that being said, these numbers are really, really low. It's definitely something we can get up. You had mentioned Clean and Classy Car Wash, and I think they have a website very similar to yours. They do have their pricing packages, their pricing packages, very clear and day, kind of all across the website, kind of what they offer, what they charge, things like that. They have a few more buttons to click along the way, not a ton, but they're also missing on a bunch of content as well. So they definitely have things to do that they need to work on here. But they've got their Facebook and their Instagram linked. I don't know if you guys do Instagram or not. So for a majority of it, I do like their site as well, but they got some work to be done as well. So in regards to this Ahrefs though, and this is what we like to call SEO. So we compared you guys to them, and I will do another comparison for you as well. But we'll just to look at the numbers to see what is different. So they have a better Ahrefs rating. You don't have one at all. Their UR and DR is not very well. This is the URL rating. This is domain rating. We want these to be pretty even. A good golden ratio on these will help rank you better. Having more backlinks always helps, and more keywords as well. But they have roughly the same amount of organic traffic that you do. Once you start putting more backlinks, more keywords into your guys' website, you'll see that organic traffic increase like crazy. So another thing we're going to look at though is a Google My Business profile and what that looks like and what it could do for your business. So we'll get back over here into Google. One more, two more. Okay. We're going to go to Google and we're going to search car wash. Let's do something else. Let's do Minneapolis. I can type. There we go. So we're going to search car wash Minneapolis. So the first thing that's going to pop up on car washes in Minneapolis, we're going to always going to have 3 businesses that pop up here in the Google Business Map Pack portion of it. We're going to be able to see their locations, things like that. So if you guys do or don't have one of these, definitely highly recommend getting them. Adding reviews to this is going to help you out big time as well. But we're also going to go down to the organic section right here, and we're going to grab centralcarwash.net in Minneapolis. And we're going to see what they're doing for their marketing in regards to their SEO. So because they're at the top of the page when somebody searches car wash Minneapolis, let's see what they are doing right. But right now their website does not look very good. But regardless, we're not here to judge them on that. We just want to see what they're doing for their SEO and their marketing. So right here we go. We've got more backlinks, we've got more keywords, and a ton more traffic. They still need to work on their golden rule ratios here. But as you can see, once we start to add the backlinks and add more organic keywords to your website, the organic goes up like crazy. I think this is a little high for a car wash. It's kind of surprising to me. But the numbers are possible once you start going into that, right? So we'll actually go back here and see if you have a Google. Yep, you do. So you have 99 reviews. That's phenomenal. Definitely keep getting reviews on this as well as your guys' Facebook page. This will help you out big time. We do also optimize your Google business profile as well. We put citations into it, which will allow you to start getting more calls off of it. We also do Google review cards if you hand them out to your customers, or just tell them, hey, if you leave a review, maybe you get $2 off the next car wash, something like that. Something to keep people coming back to it or signing up for that big package. In regards to your guys' Facebook page, though, I did want to touch base on that with you, because I know that was kind of the one issue that you feel like you're having right now. So we'll bring that on over here and show you what I see and where we can grow on this as well. So same thing, reviews. Reviews is going to be a huge part for it. Call now button, that's great. We got your number on there, a message. I don't know if you have automated messages. We can check this right here. If you click message, we want automated messages that'll pop up and ask questions like this. Is anyone available to chat? I have a question. Can you help? Phenomenal. But one thing I also see is the last time you guys posted on your Facebook page was January 20th. So what we would do is we would figure out a social media package plan for you based on how many times you would like to post. We will give you recommendations. I do like to say once to twice a week is probably a really good option to do. That way people just see that you're active, see that you're always offering different promotions, things of that nature. Always adding some photos as well, maybe taking some more photos of customers as they're coming through the wash, things like that. That's always something we can consider doing for you as well. But in regards to that, that's kind of where we want to focus on this as well. It's definitely keeping this profile a lot more active, so that way people interact more, post your promotions, things like that. But nevertheless, that was just a short little intro kind of into how we want to tackle your digital marketing. If it's something you want to hear more about, we can sit down, we can do a discovery call, kind of figure out what you really think you need based off of this video, and really start to get a digital plan set up for you. That way we really have a cut and dry, very, very black and white, no gray outside the line sort of thing plan that we can begin your growth. So with that being said, Jody over at Solum Car Wash, thank you and have a great day.